Good morning, student. Today we discuss about introduction of 8085 microprocessor. So let's we start the 8085 microprocessor. I am Umpal Singh. Introduction to 8085 microprocessor. This is the Intel 8085 microprocessor IC. This is the 20 overall 40 pin IC and dual in line DIP package as shown in figure. These are the pin configuration of IC. These are the oscillators. These are the address and data lines. These are the interrupt. This is the signal organization of 8085 IC. This is the architecture of 8085 microprocessor. 8085 microprocessor and it is versus 8085 is an 8-bit general purpose microprocessor, can address 64 byte of memory. It has 14 pin and uses plus 5-volt power supply. It can run at a maximum frequency of 3 megahertz. The pins on the chip can be grouped into 6 groups: address bus, data bus, control and status signals, power supply and frequency, serial input output ports. The address and data bus. The address bus has 8 signal lines A8 to A15 which are unidirectional, and other 8 address bits are multiplexed with the 8 data bits. So the bits AD07 to AD7 are bidirectional and serve as A0 to A7 and D0 to D7 at the same time. During the execution of instruction, these lines carry the address bits during the early part. Then during the late part of execution, they carry the 8 data bits. The control and status signal. There are 4 main control and status signals. These are ALE, that is the address latch enable. The signal pulse that become 1 when the AD0 to AD7 lines have the address on them. It become 0 after that. This signal can be used to enable a latch to save the address bit from AD lines. Read signal, write signal, memory input output signal, S1 and S0 signal. These are the kind of status. The ALU, in the addition to the arithmetic and logic circuit, the ALU includes an accumulator which is a part of every arithmetic and logic operation. Also, ALU includes the temporary register used the holding data temporary during the execution of the operation. These are the flag register of 8085. Here S indicates sign flag. The sign flag set if bit D7 of accumulator is set. 0 flag, Z flag, that is the 0 flag, set if result of ALU operation is 0. Carry auxiliary carry flag. This flag is set when a carry is generated from D to D3 and pass to D4. Priority flag after the ALU operation, if the result has the number of ones even, the P flag is set, otherwise it's clear. Carry flag, this flag is set when carry is generated from D7 after operation. Overflow flag, this flag is set when overflow is occur. Upcode fetch and machine cycle, the first step of execution any instruction is upcode fetch cycle. In this cycle, the microprocessor bring in the instruction upcode from the memory to differentiate the machine cycle from the very similar memory read cycle. The control and status signal are set as follows. Input output memory 0, S0 and S1 are both 1. The machine cycle has 4 T states. The 8085 uses first 3 states to fetch the port, and the next it is also to decode and execute it. It is also possible for an instruction to have 60 states in a port fetch machine cycle. The memory read cycle. To understand the memory read cycle, let us study the execution of the following instruction. MBI A, 32. In memory, the instruction look like the first byte 3EH represent the code for loading a byte into the accumulator. The second byte is the data to be loaded. Memory write operation. In memory write operation, 8085 place the address 2065H on the address bus. Identify the operation as memory write. Input output memory 0 as status signal. S1 is equal to 0, S0 is equal to 1. These are the interrupt of 8085. INTR, input interrupt request. This is used as a general purpose interrupt. It is the similar to the INT signal of the 808A. INTA bar output RFT 7.5, 6.5, 5.5. These are the restart interrupt. Trap, this is the non-maskable interrupt. Hold, this is signal indicate the peripheral such as DMA. Controller is requesting to use the address and data buses. HLDA, hold, acknowledge. Ready, this signal is used to delay the microprocessor read or write cycle until a slow responding peripheral is ready to send or accept data. Thank you very much.